Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power, flip the breaker or the fixture switch and verify lights are off. Immediately set a stable step stool under the spotlight so you can work comfortably. Make sure the bulb is cool and put on gloves to protect glazed surfaces and skin. Lay out your replacement bulb, screwdriver, and a non-conductive tray to catch hardware. Once done, confirm the replacement bulb matches wattage and base type so you avoid overheating or poor fit later. With power still off, remove the trim or lens. Some rotate, others unclip or unscrew. You hold the bulb gently with one hand while you undo the retention. This prevents dropping. If it's a GU10, push and twist. If it's a bipin, pull straight out. If it's screw base, turn counterclockwise. Inspect the socket for corrosion, loose wires, or burnt areas. Cleaning or replacing the socket prevents future failures. If anything looks damaged, stop and plan to replace the holder or call a pro. You insert the new bulb matching the base and orientation, seating it firmly but without over-torquing. This ensures good contact and avoids cracking. Replace the trim or lens the same way you removed it, then restore power and watch the light for stable illumination and normal temperature. If you see flicker, buzzing, or excess heat, cut power again. Double-check the socket wiring and try a different bulb to isolate the cause. If problems persist, the driver or...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.